Good afternoon, one and all. Today we are going to see second numerical of chapter number 1, and the question is electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.08 microcoulomb is in air is 0.2 Newton. So here we have two questions. First question is what is the distance between two spheres, and the second one is what is the force on the second sphere due to first. So let us see how to solve this both questions. So first of all, whatever data we have, that we are analyzing over here. So over here first thing is given electrostatic force, and that is given 0.2 Newton. So let us take that data. Electrostatic force on the first sphere is 0.2 Newton. Then first charge on first sphere, that we have q1 equal to 0.4 microcoulomb. Remember, while you have this type of units, so first of all you must have to convert it into basic units, and the basic unit of charge is coulomb, and mu stands for micro. So 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. The charge on first sphere, that we have to consider as a 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Similarly, charge on second sphere is also given to us, which is 0.8 minus microcoulomb. So convert it into coulomb, so we will get this answer. Now by using Coulomb's law, so Coulomb's law said electrostatic force F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 upon r square. Remember, here we have no vector relation, so direct we are going for basic relations. Okay, now for this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught we have, so for that basically we are using k for proportionality constant, and the value of this thing we have 9 into 10 raised to 9 SI unit, where epsilon stands for permittivity of free space. Remember, now just this value we are inserting over here instead of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, so we are getting this equation. Now we have to find out distance. So r, that is the distance between two charges, so r square equal to, we have k into q1 q2 upon f. Now put all the values of k, q1, q2 and f, so we will get this one. Now you have to find out this answer. That is your homework for today. Just find it and tell me what is your answer. Okay, if any discrepancy occur, then contact me. This is first question. Now second question is what is the force on second sphere due to the first. Okay, so remember, both spheres attract each other with same force, so force on the second sphere due to first one is also same, which is 0.2 Newton. So this is your answers for question number 2 of our exercise of chapter number 1. Okay, now you have to calculate all the data properly, and step by step go, use simple calculator and find out answer and show me this answer properly. That's all for today. Next video में हम देखेंगे next question. Thank you very much.